Go suck your mother, Charlie.
So it's 12 midnight. So I think this would be the perfect time to do the Charlie Challenge that everybody has been doing. Apparently all you need is like a piece of paper and some pencils to get started. I've been thinking about this for the past like 3 or 4 days, whether or not to do an actual Charlie video. But you know, thinking about it, what I'm going to do is to actually not do it. Are you crazy? I'm not upon that. From all around the world are taking up the challenge. Now it has to do with some Mexican demon by the name of Charlie. So you summon Charlie by calling his name twice, followed by a question which you then reply yes or no on the piece of paper that you drew up. I can understand the white people do them madness here, but like Jamaican people, my fellow Jamaicans, you not call them dopey? Like seriously? Yo! Charlie Challenge is not to be taken lightly. Yo, you not summon demon, you know? Demon. You not go and mess around until Charlie either box down one of you or rape one of you. I mean, why would you want to summon a demon where you are? Yo, man, not even like calm me dog for giving food, much less. I mean, it's like really scary to see these youngsters calling down duppies, yo. I mean, youngsters. I said youngsters. I feel so old. This Charlie game. Don't do it. A serious something. Yo, pray this. What if you were to actually summon Charlie and him appear? Charlie, are you here?
Yeah man, but there ain't no going easy.
No Charlie. You have to leave. Come out of my place. Come out Charlie. Charlie, come out. A lot more sensible stuff you can be doing with like a pencil and a paper. For example, you could write yourself a poem or do some drawings, or unrelatedly, watch my YouTube videos. Wise up. Don't do the Charlie Challenge. And everything on social media, only for follow. So just do like me and say, Charlie, go suck your mother, Charlie.
Batty boy, who you are, Charlie?
But Jesus!